Yo, what's going on, guys? Back at it again from the hotel. Just going to see a movie with my daughter shortly. Figured I'd hop on here, do another video for you guys. Because something was on my mind. I was just kind of scrolling through Twitter and or X, whatever you want to call it, and read a couple of questions that I've been getting asked. So I kind of want to address that a little bit in this video. But right now, guys, Bitcoin, again, just consolidating. Nothing, we're still looking okay. We expected this over the weekend. We were not expecting any massive, uh, runs to the upside or a breakout over the weekend. Weekends generally we're going to have low volatility. We're not going to see too much there. So we're not surprised. Same thing with the altcoins, guys. It's actually a phenomenal time to be DCAing, in my opinion, this weekend. I'm a little upset that I can't DCA because I'm not at home. So that sucks a little bit, but yeah. So, but it is a phenomenal time to do it, guys. Now, where are we in the cycle, though? That's the big question here, right? This kind of alludes to what I've been getting asked a lot lately, right? Um, and you have to understand that there's phases to a cycle. And early phases obviously and late phases, and we're just getting primed for the final parabolic leg of the bull run that's going to last about 5 maybe 6 months, right? So it's it's not the best time to be buying high cap projects, right? And I know that some people out there are going to disagree with me and they're going to say, well, what are you talking about? Like XRP is a phenomenal project, or Bitcoin's a phenomenal project, or Solana, or whatever the case might be, right? That's what they're going to say. And yes, you're absolutely right. Those are good, great, awesome, phenomenal projects with a lot of safety. They're blue chip projects. I mean, safety is a relative term in crypto, but you get what I'm saying, right? Um, the point, though, is it's not time to be buying those projects unless you already hold a big bag of them and you're just kind of topping up those bags because you bought a bunch at the bottom. Then that's a different story. But if you just have a small bag right now of, let's say, Cardano, right? I don't want to say XRP because I don't want people to feel like I'm picking on XRP. Not that I'm picking on Cardano, but I talk about XRP a lot because I like XRP. I like Cardano too. But so let's use Cardano as an example. Actually, I can't. Sorry, I got to use XRP because XRP's gone up higher than Cardano has over this last 6 months, right? Uh, so guys, like, listen. I think that XRP, is ranked like number 4 in market cap right now. I think that XRP is going to hit, my opinion, $5 to $6, right, in this bull run. So you're looking at roughly 2 to 3x on your money buying XRP right now, right? Which is good. It's a good return. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm not here to argue with you that that's a good return, because if you're just coming over from the stock market or something like that, yeah, absolutely, a 2 or 3x on your money in 5 6 months is, can't find that anywhere else, right? But we're in crypto. We're spoiled here, right? We're spoiled brats over here. So you want, at this point, you want higher X's, higher returns on your investment, especially if you're just coming into crypto over the last 12 months, right? Let's say. The time to be buying those large cap blue chip projects is in the bottom of a bear market. So in 2022 was the time to be buying XRP and Cardano and Solana and AVAX and Bitcoin and Ethereum and all that stuff, right? Polkadot, whatever. That was the time to be buying those kinds of projects, right? And this is just my opinion, guys. It's not financial advice. And there's going to be people out there that disagree with me, and that's fine. You know, I respect everyone's opinion. It's fine to have one, right? I'm not going to delete your comment as long as you're not inappropriate. If you disagree with me, you're allowed to, right? I'm not right about everything, but this I do feel I'm right about. The next time, in my opinion, that people should be stocking up on those high cap blue chip projects is probably near the end of next year, near the end of 2026, early 2027, right? That's where I would be targeting for those kinds of projects when they're at their potentially lowest range. You're not going to time the bottom, right? But they'll be in their lowest range. And that's when you want to be DCing into those projects. Before I continue, guys, quick shout out to the channel sponsor, Descent Biometric Wallet. Not your keys, not your coins, guys. Use our link down below. Get a phenomenal deal. They have like a 2-for deal going on right now on the biometric wallets, and they have like the card wallets are only like $5 or something. I think you get like 30% off or something using our link, guys. Go down below, use our link, get a fantastic deal. Check it out for yourselves, guys. Keep your crypto safe, not your keys, not your coins, and you support the channel at the same time. So go ahead and, I'll love you forever. So continuing on, guys. I get asked a lot by people, should I buy some more XRP right now? Because it's, it's down a little bit. Guys, XRP was like 30 cents at the bottom of this bear market. I think we were buying it at like 28 cents or something like that. Maybe even a little bit lower, 23 cents. I think, don't quote me exactly. It was like 3 years ago. But that was when you wanted to be buying those projects. Right now, like I said before, unless you already hold a big bag of it, you're only going to 2 or 3 extra money. Great projects, not fighting them. And I'm not talking about specifically about one project. I'm talking about all of them, right? That's when we stock up on those ones in the bottom of the bear market, right? And now, and I understand there's a lot of people who are just coming in over the last 6 months or whatever. And those are generally the people asking me. They're like, hey, man, I got here in like February or March, and I bought some XRP. I bought $500 in XRP. Is that a good, what should I do? It's a bad time to be buying it. It's like, what, $2.60, something like $2.50, something like that. Might be a little bit lower over the weekend, but you get what I'm saying. The return's not going to be huge, right? If you like decentralized finance, like a project like XRP or XLM, and you're like, yes, I like that use case, I believe in that use case, not financial advice, but I would point your direction over towards your ZBEX, your Onyx coins, your Moonwells, your Swift coins, your XPRs, right? Yeah, high risk, high reward, smaller cap. The smaller the cap, obviously the higher the risk. That's always going to be true in crypto. However, they're all the same narrative and do the same things. Some things different, a little bit different here and there, but essentially, one could argue even that projects like XCN are far more decentralized than anything else, really. I mean, they can't do anything without the DAO, which is the community voting over on the XCN protocol, Onyx protocol, right? So just a little food for thought for you guys, right? Should you be loading up on blue chips right now? Probably not the best time. I mean, you got to do what you got to do, but me personally, that time has come and gone long time ago, like 2.5 years ago. But that time will come again, right? End of next year, beginning of 2027, perfect timing for that kind of thing, in my opinion, right? Again, you could disagree with me. That's fine. I mean, I'm not offended or anything, but, and again, I'm not saying that these projects are bad projects. I'm saying that stocking up on them at this point in time, in my opinion, is not that they're bad projects. It's that it's bad timing, right? One of the key factors to being successful in this space is understanding what phase of the market you're in, where you are in the cycle, and how to operate in that phase, right? And that comes with one of two different ways. Time in the market, as in gaining experience by being here for a long time, like I have, or learn from someone like me, who's been around for a long time. Those are the only 2 ways to do it. You can guess and get lucky, maybe, but chances are you'll be unlucky, right? Chances are better. So, in saying that, guys, listen, we had an open mic night session last night over on the Patreon hosted by Ramona. Tonight, we will have another open mic session hosted by Crypto Otaku. So make sure you guys get over there for that. We've been dropping gems over there like Tic Tacs, guys. Speaking of smaller cap gems, smaller cap projects, we've been dropping them like Tic Tacs over there. As soon as I get back from my vacation, I'm going to be dropping tons more, you guys. So get over to the Patreon. Again, the link is down below for that as well. You're not going to want to miss out on these projects, guys. This is the time to get in early. We got in early on ZBEC, on Onyx Coin, on Swift Coin, on Moonwatch. So many great projects. And we're not talking meme coin rug pulls here. We're talking about solid utility plays with great fundamentals, great teams behind them, great partnerships, and great tokenomics. So get over there, get in early on these plays, guys. We're live over there every single day as well. We drop microcap gem videos, we drop educational content. And on top of all that, if you need more personalized mentorship, you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally, absolutely free as a Patreon member, where we can help you out. I can get with you one-on-one, we can talk, I can help answer all of your questions, I can help guide you and mentor you in the right direction in this crypto space. So check it out for yourselves, guys. Let's get your portfolio well-rounded and pointed in the right direction. Click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.